everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Storybook Crochet. Today I am going to show you how to crochet these adorable bunny ears that you can add to any crocheted hat. They're quick, beginner friendly, and such a fun way to turn a simple hat into something extra cute for spring, Easter, or just dressing up. The great thing about these ears is that the size is totally adjustable. If you want longer ears, you can simply add more rows, and I will show you where to do that in the pattern. Or if you'd like shorter ears, just simply make fewer rows. That way you can customize them to be the perfect length for any hat that you're making. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the step-by-step process so you can easily make a pair of ears and attach them to your hat. I've linked all of my hat tutorials in different sizes down in the description below. Alright, so let's grab our yarn and hook and let's get crocheting. For the best results, I recommend using the same size hook that you used to make your hat. That way the bunny ears will match the same tension and look nice and consistent with your hat. For me, I am using a USH crochet hook. Alright, so to start our ear, we're going to start by making a slip knot. And then you're going to want to make a chain of 2. So 1 and 2. And then we're going to work into our second chain here from our hook. So we'll skip that first one, that's going to be our turning chain, and work into the second chain to start row number 1. So for row 1, we're going to make an increase, and that means we're going to put 2 single crochets in that one chain. So make your first and then go into that exact same chain and make your second. Once you're done with your 2 single crochets, you're going to chain 1 and turn your piece over. So we will be chaining 1 and turning at the end of every single row for this pattern. So moving on to row 2, we're going to increase 2 times. So we'll go into that very first stitch there, and you're going to put 2 single crochets. Once you have those 2 done, you're going to go into the second stitch and make 2 more single crochets. So this will give you a total of 4 single crochets for row number 2. Alright, and then we will chain 1 and turn our piece over. For row number 3, we're going to start with an increase, so you'll put your 2 single crochets in that very first stitch. And then we're going to put 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So no increases, just put 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next, and then for our last stitch of the row, we're going to increase again. So you're going to put 2 single crochets in that last stitch. And this gives you a total of 6 single crochets for row number 3. So chain 1 and then turn your piece over. For row 4, we won't make any increases. We're just going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch across. So you will again have a total of 6 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Row 5 is going to be our last increase row. So we're going to start out with an increase in the first stitch. And then we're going to put 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. After your 4 single crochets, we're going to increase in that last stitch. And this gives us a total of 8 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn. So for the size ear that I am doing rows 6 through 25. You're just going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch across. You can make these ears as long or as short as you want, so go ahead and do as many rows as you want to get your desired length for your bunny ears. Alright, so I have worked through row number 25 for my second ear here. So for the next row, we're going to do a decrease row. So we're going to start by making a decrease over the first 2 stitches, and I will show you how to make those real quick. So you're going to insert your hook into that first stitch, pull your loop through, insert your hook into the second stitch, pull your loop through. You're going to have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and just pull through all 3. So we turn those first 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Now you're going to make 4 single crochets, so 1 in each of the next 4 stitches. Once you have your 4 made, you're now going to make a decrease over the last 2 stitches. And then you'll chain 1 and turn. So that turned our 8 stitches into 6. So for the next row, we're just going to single crochet across, 1 in each stitch. And for our last row, we're going to do 1 more decrease row. So we'll decrease over the first 2 stitches. Then we're going to single crochet in the next 2. And then we'll decrease over the last 2 stitches. Go ahead and chain 1. And now we are ready to go ahead and single crochet around the entire piece to finish off the ear. Now we're going to single crochet around the ear to give it a nice finished edge. So we're going to start by placing 1 single crochet in the end of each row. So you're just going to go into the very side of that last row that we did and make a single crochet. Then in the next row, you'll go into the side of that stitch and make a single crochet. And you're just going to continue that all the way down this first edge of our ear. When you reach the very tip of the ear, we're going to put 3 single crochets in that very tip there. That's just going to make it nice and pointed for us at the very bottom. And now you're just going to do what you did on this other side and continue single crocheting at the end of each row until you get back to the very top of our ear. Now that we are back at the top, we're just going to single crochet along this top edge here until we get back to the very beginning where we started our edging. Once you have that done, you're just going to slip stitch to that very first single crochet that we made for our edge to finish that off. And you'll want to cut a little bit longer of a tail here so that we can sew it onto our hat. So I like to go ahead and flatten out the hat, making sure that the side is facing you where you want your first ear to be placed. So for these ears to be a little bit longer, I like to have them a little bit lower on the hat, but you can always put them at the very top as well. It just depends on the look that you're going for. So for me, I have a nice little edge here with the color change of my yarn, so I think I'll just place that first ear there. So find your placement. And then you're just going to sew across the very top portion of your ear here, attaching it to the hat. So you're going to grab a stitch on your hat and then come up through the first stitch on your ear. And then you're just going to continue to do that all the way across. Once you have sewn all the way across, you can just go ahead and weave in that end. So I'm just going to come down the edge here of the ear and just go through a few stitches all the way down. And then you'll just come up back through those stitches just to weave that in nice and tight. And now you can go ahead and repeat that step on the other side, just making sure that the ears are even on each side of your hat. And that is how you crochet these cute bunny ears. Once you've made a pair, you can add them to just about any hat to create an adorable bunny hat. If you're looking for hat patterns to go with these ears, just check out the description below where I've linked all of my hat tutorials in different sizes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crochet tutorials, free patterns, and lots of cute amigurumi. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!